Hello, everybody. Line balancing is used in facility planning aiming to group tasks such that these groups have approximately equal time requirements so that the idle time along the production time is minimized. Consequently, the labor and equipment utilization is maximized. One of the skills required to balance a line is constructing the precedence diagram. This video will show you step by step how to construct this diagram, which is also used in the critical path method in project management. The data is tabulated like this, with the required tasks at the left, followed by the immediate predecessor of each task, and then the duration of the individual tasks. The precedence diagram visually represents the tasks to be completed and the sequential requirements, indicating the order in which the tasks must be performed. Let us start constructing the precedence diagram for this data. The first task in the list is Task A without any immediate predecessor. The precedence diagram starts from the left. So, at the far left, draw a node with the letter A inside. The duration of this task is 0.2 minutes, so write 0.2 above the node. The second task is Task B and its immediate predecessor is Task A, or Task B is following Task A. So, draw an arrow starting at A and pointing to the right. Then draw a node with the letter B inside and 0.2 above, as the duration of Task B is 0.2 minutes. The third task in the list is Task C without any immediate predecessor. As usual, the precedence diagram starts from the left, so, at the far left below Task A, draw a node with the letter C inside and 0.8 above, as the duration of Task C is 0.8 minutes. The fourth task is Task D and its immediate predecessor is Task C, or Task D is following Task C. So, draw an arrow starting at C and pointing to the right. Then draw a node with the letter D inside and 0.6 above, as the duration of Task B is 0.6 minutes. The fifth task is Task E and its immediate predecessor is Task B. So, draw an arrow starting at B and pointing to the right. Then draw a node with the letter E inside and 0.3 above, as the duration of Task B is 0.3 minutes. The next task is Task F with two immediate predecessors, Task D and Task E. Here we will draw two arrows from D and E. After that, draw a node with the letter F inside and its duration 1 minute above. The next task is Task G with an immediate predecessor, Task F. So, draw an arrow starting from F and pointing to the right, then draw a node with the letter G inside and its duration 0.4 above. The last task is Task H with an immediate predecessor, Task G. So, draw an arrow starting from G and pointing to the right, then draw a node with the letter H inside and its duration 0.3 above. Now we finished the precedence diagram, which visually represents the tasks to be completed in the production line and the sequential requirements, indicating the order in which the tasks must be performed. This diagram will be used to assign workstations tasks, which will be explained in another video. So, keep following us, stay tuned, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alarm to be notified of the new videos. Thanks for watching. Your feedback is appreciated, so please comment on this video. And if you like it, press like and share it. See you again.